80% of urban Indians are not prepared for retirement. Have you planned your retirement? LIC's new annuity plan, LIC Jeevan Dhara 2, claims to provide a worry-free retirement. We are not going to trust this statement blindly. In this video, let us analyze LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 with its advantages and disadvantages. This will help you to decide whether this plan fits your retirement planning. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 is a non-participating product where the benefits are fixed. The main features are flexibility to choose premium paying term and deferment period. Single life annuity and joint life annuity options are available. Wide range of annuity options to suit your needs. Mode of annuity could be yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly. Option to take the death benefit as lump sum or in the form of annuitization or installment. Next, we shall look at the annuity options available under LIC Jeevan Dhara 2. Based on your preference and requirement, you may opt for any one of the following annuity options. Basically, it is categorized as single premium and regular premium with single life or joint life option. In some plan options, the premium is returned to the nominee or to the annuitant. The 11 annuity options under the LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 plan along with its benefits is tabularized here. Now let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 plan. Advantages. Top-up annuity. Option to increase the annuity by paying an additional premium at any time during the deferment period. Liquidity option. That is option to receive a lump sum amount in return for a reduction in annuity payments and other benefits. Advanced annuity option in case of joint life annuity option with return of premium. That is option to the surviving annuitant to withdraw discounted cash value of annuity payable. The annuitant have to choose either lump sum or annuitization for the payment of death benefit to the nominee. Next, disadvantages. The loan option is available only for annuity plans with return of premium option. After the deferment period, surrender shall be allowed only under the annuity option with return of premium. Annuity is fully taxable. LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 has two phases, that is the accumulation phase and distribution phase. You pay a premium for a limited period and then start receiving the annuity. So in order to decide whether this plan suits your retirement kitty, we need to analyze the plan in terms of returns. Let us work out a benefit illustration to understand the cash flow pattern and estimate the returns. A 45-year-old male intended to accumulate retirement corpus through LIC Jeevan Dhara 2. He invests Rs 50,000 per annum for the next 15 years. After the deferment period, that is on completion of premium payment, he is entitled to receive an annuity for lifetime. He chooses annuity plan option 2, life annuity with return of premium for single life. He receives an annuity of Rs 86,740 every year till his lifetime. For illustrative purposes, let us assume a life expectancy of 85 years of age. On death, the purchase price is returned. The internal rate of return IRR calculation for the given cash flow results in 6.48%. This is an average return. If you invest your money in any fixed return instrument, you earn around 6 to 7% per annum. In LIC Jeevan Dhara 2, you get a guaranteed annuity. Average return and fixed annuity might look lucrative to invest in this plan. However, when considering inflation, the annuity will not be sufficient in the later years. The amount invested during the accumulation phase gets locked in the investment. The annuity is receivable during the distribution phase. Both liquidity and return are not favorable to add LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 to your retirement kitty. To have a better understanding, let us compare LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 with other investment products. Let us assume that you invest the same amount as seen in the previous illustration in an investment of your choice, that is during the accumulation phase. The resultant accumulated corpus can be utilized during the retirement period, that is distribution phase. For the accumulation phase, let us assume two scenarios. In the first 15 years, an annual premium of Rs 50,000 is invested either in a PPF account or ELSS fund. The amount accumulated during the first phase is then invested in a 7% return instrument for annual withdrawal. Under PPF, the accumulated corpus is 13.56 lakhs. Under ELSS, the final maturity value is 20.87 lakhs. After payment of capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value of ELSS fund is 19.63 lakhs. The respective accumulated corpus is shifted to a 7% return instrument. This enables you to withdraw 86,740, similar to LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 annuity. At the age of 85 years, the investment is fully withdrawn, similar to the return of purchase price. The IRR calculation for the PPF investment along with the annual withdrawal results in 7.04%. The IRR calculation for the ELSS investment along with the annual withdrawal results in 8.66%. In these alternate investments, the yield is better. Also, you enjoy liquidity. During the distribution phase, either you can utilize the corpus for any other goal or you can shift your investment in the rising interest rate scenario. Both these features are missing in LIC Jeevan Dhara 2. We reached the end part of our analysis. Final verdict on LIC Jeevan Dhara 2. It is a long-term investment. Here your funds are glued to the policy. It starts with investing the savings during your working years and ends with an annuity for your whole life. While analyzing the plan, we could see some restrictions. The annuity is fixed and constant throughout your lifetime. You are stuck with the investment for a lifetime. The returns are lower than the inflation rate. Since it is a long-term investment, the returns should combat inflation. Otherwise, investment will lose their purchasing power. You should save your hard-earned money on a better yielding product so that you can have a comfortable lifestyle during your retirement years. Inflation plays a major role. Consulting with a professional financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and support in navigating retirement planning complexities. Starting early and staying disciplined are key to building a robust retirement plan. A detailed review of LIC Jeevan Dhara 2 is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description.
Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.